To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. Investing in a Gold IRA How-To Guide. In an increasingly volatile world where economic uncertainties loom and traditional investment avenues face turbulent winds, many discerning investors are seeking refuge in time-tested assets that have historically held their value. Among these, gold stands out as a beacon of stability, a tangible store of wealth that has captivated humanity for millennia. For those looking to fortify their retirement savings and safeguard their financial future, a Gold IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA, offers a compelling opportunity. This comprehensive guide will delve into the intricacies of investing in a Gold IRA, providing a detailed roadmap for navigating the process with confidence and maximizing the potential benefits. We will explore why gold is considered a strategic asset, the specific advantages of holding it within a retirement account, the step-by-step procedures for setting up and managing a Gold IRA, and crucial considerations to keep in mind along the way. Whether you are a seasoned investor or new to the world of precious metals, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and potentially enhance your long-term financial security through a Gold IRA. Why gold? The enduring appeal of the golden metal. Before diving into the specifics of a Gold IRA, it's crucial to understand the fundamental reasons behind gold's enduring appeal and its role as a valuable investment asset. Gold is not merely a beautiful metal. It has intrinsic qualities that have made it a prized possession and a reliable store of value across cultures and civilizations for centuries. Let's explore some of the key attributes that underpin gold's investment rationale: a store of value and inflation hedge. Perhaps the most compelling reason to consider gold is its historical track record as a store of value, particularly during times of economic uncertainty and inflationary pressures. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed at will and are subject to devaluation, gold has a finite supply. This inherent scarcity, coupled with its enduring demand, has historically allowed gold to maintain its purchasing power over long periods. When inflation erodes the value of paper money, gold tends to retain or even increase its value, acting as a powerful hedge against the rising cost of living. Throughout history, from ancient empires to modern economic crises, gold has consistently demonstrated its ability to preserve wealth when other assets falter. This inherent resilience makes it an attractive option for protecting your savings from the erosive effects of inflation. Diversification and portfolio stability. Modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification to mitigate risk and enhance returns. Gold plays a crucial role in diversification because it often exhibits a low or even negative correlation with traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds. This means that when the stock market experiences downturns or bond yields become less attractive, gold can act as a counterbalancing force, potentially stabilizing your portfolio and reducing overall volatility. Including gold in your investment mix is not about chasing speculative gains. It's about strategically allocating a portion of your assets to an uncorrelated asset that can buffer your portfolio during periods of market turbulence. In times of economic distress or geopolitical instability, investors often flock to gold, seeking a safe haven asset. This increased demand can drive up gold prices while other markets decline, thus providing valuable portfolio protection. Tangible asset and safe haven. In a digital age where much of our wealth exists in intangible forms, the tangible nature of gold is a significant advantage. It's a physical asset you can hold, touch, and possess, offering a sense of security and control that is absent with purely virtual investments. In times of financial crises or systemic risks, the tangible aspect of gold becomes even more appealing. When confidence in financial institutions or paper currencies wanes, the inherent value of gold as a physical commodity provides reassurance. Furthermore, gold has historically been considered a safe haven asset, a refuge during periods of geopolitical uncertainty, market crashes, and global crises. When fear and uncertainty grip the markets, investors tend to gravitate towards gold, driving up demand and potentially increasing its price. This flight to safety phenomenon makes gold a valuable asset to hold during times of heightened risk. Limited supply and growing demand. Unlike paper currencies that can be infinitely printed, the supply of gold is finite and geographically concentrated. Mining new gold is becoming increasingly expensive and challenging, and the rate of new discoveries has slowed down. On the other hand, the demand for gold continues to grow from various sectors, including central banks, jewelry, technology, and investors. Central banks around the world have been net buyers of gold in recent years, adding to their reserves as a means of diversification and risk management. The jewelry industry remains a significant consumer of gold, particularly in emerging economies like India and China. Moreover, gold plays a critical role in various technological applications, from electronics to dentistry, further contributing to its demand. This combination of limited supply and increasing demand creates a favorable long-term outlook for gold prices, potentially positioning it as a valuable asset for capital appreciation. Historical performance and long-term growth potential. While past performance is not indicative of future results, gold has a long and compelling history of wealth preservation and growth. Throughout history, gold has demonstrated its ability to withstand economic cycles and periods of inflation. In recent decades, gold has experienced significant price appreciation, particularly during periods of economic uncertainty and financial market volatility. While gold prices can fluctuate in the short term, its long-term trajectory has generally been upward, reflecting its enduring appeal as a store of value and investment asset. Moreover, the current global economic landscape, characterized by high levels of debt, inflationary pressures, and geopolitical risks, may create a favorable environment for gold to continue to perform well in the years to come. Unlocking retirement security, the benefits of a gold IRA. Now that we've established the fundamental reasons why gold is a compelling investment asset, let's focus on the specific advantages of holding gold within a retirement account, such as a gold IRA. A gold IRA combines the inherent benefits of gold with the tax advantages of traditional retirement savings vehicles, creating a powerful tool for long-term financial security. Tax-advantaged growth. One of the most significant advantages of a gold IRA is the potential for tax-advantaged growth, mirroring the benefits offered by traditional IRAs. Depending on the type of gold IRA you choose, traditional or Roth, your gold investments can grow either tax-deferred or tax-free. In a traditional gold IRA, your contributions may be tax-deductible, and your investment earnings grow tax-deferred, meaning you only pay taxes when you take distributions in retirement. This tax deferral allows your gold holdings to compound over time without being diminished by annual taxes, potentially leading to significantly larger retirement savings. In a Roth Gold IRA, your contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but your qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This can be particularly advantageous if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement than you are currently. The tax-advantaged nature of a gold IRA allows you to maximize the growth potential of your gold investments, helping you build a more substantial and tax-efficient retirement nest egg. Diversification within retirement savings. As previously mentioned, diversification is crucial for mitigating risk and enhancing portfolio stability. While many traditional retirement accounts primarily hold stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a Gold IRA allows you to diversify your retirement portfolio by adding a tangible asset with low correlation to these conventional investments. This diversification can be particularly valuable in the context of retirement planning, where preserving capital and ensuring a stable income stream are paramount. By allocating a portion of your retirement savings to gold within a Gold IRA, you can reduce your portfolio's overall risk exposure and potentially improve its long-term performance. During periods of market volatility or economic uncertainty, your gold holdings can act as a ballast, offsetting potential losses in other asset classes and providing a more stable foundation for your retirement savings. Inflation protection for retirement income. Inflation poses a significant threat to retirement income, as the purchasing power of your savings can erode over time if inflation outpaces investment returns. Since gold has historically served as a reliable inflation hedge, holding it within a Gold IRA can provide a valuable layer of protection against the eroding effects of inflation on your retirement income. As the cost of living rises, the value of gold tends to increase, helping to preserve the real purchasing power of your retirement savings. This inflation protection is particularly crucial for retirees who rely on fixed incomes, as it helps ensure that their savings can maintain their lifestyle and cover their expenses throughout their retirement years. A Gold IRA can act as a safeguard against inflation, helping you maintain the value of your retirement income and ensuring long-term financial security. Tangible asset security in retirement. The tangible nature of gold offers a sense of security and control that can be particularly reassuring during retirement. Knowing that a portion of your retirement savings is held in a physical asset, safely stored in a secure depository, can provide peace of mind, especially during times of economic uncertainty or financial market instability. Unlike paper assets that are subject to counterparty risk and market fluctuations, gold represents a tangible store of wealth that you can physically possess, albeit indirectly through a custodian and depository. This tangible security can be particularly comforting for retirees who may be more risk-averse and seek a stable and reliable asset to protect their hard-earned savings. A Gold IRA provides the security of physical gold ownership within the framework of a tax-advantaged retirement account. Potential for long-term growth in retirement. While gold is often viewed as a store of value and inflation hedge, it also has the potential for long-term growth. As the global economy evolves and various factors influence gold prices, there is the potential for your gold holdings within a Gold IRA to appreciate over time. Factors such as geopolitical events, currency fluctuations, and changes in investor sentiment can all impact gold prices. By holding gold in your retirement portfolio, you position yourself to potentially benefit from long-term growth in the gold market. This growth potential, coupled with the other benefits of a Gold IRA, makes it a compelling option for enhancing your retirement savings and securing your financial future. Setting sail, a step-by-step guide to setting up your Gold IRA. Embarking on the journey of setting up a Gold IRA might seem daunting at first, but by breaking down the process into manageable steps, it becomes a clear and achievable path. Here is a detailed, step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process of setting up your Gold IRA with confidence. Step 1. Choose a reputable Gold IRA custodian. The cornerstone of setting up a Gold IRA is selecting a reputable and experienced custodian. A Gold IRA custodian is a specialized financial institution that is authorized by the IRS to administer self-directed IRAs, including those that hold precious metals. The custodian acts as a trustee, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations, handling paperwork, and providing record-keeping services for your Gold IRA. Choosing the right custodian is crucial for a smooth and secure Gold IRA experience. Due diligence and research. Thoroughly research and compare different Gold IRA custodians. Look for custodians with a proven track record, positive customer reviews, and transparent fee structures. Check their credentials and ensure they are properly licensed and registered. Read online reviews and testimonials to gauge customer satisfaction and the quality of their services. Fee structure and transparency. Understand the custodian's fee structure, including setup fees, annual maintenance fees, storage fees, and transaction fees. Ensure the fee structure is transparent and competitive. Ask for a complete fee schedule and compare it with other custodians. Avoid custodians with hidden fees or unclear pricing. Storage options and security. Verify the custodian's storage options and security protocols for your precious metals. Reputable custodians typically use secure, insured depositories to store your gold. Inquire about the depository's security measures, insurance coverage, and segregation policies, whether your gold is stored separately or commingled with other clients' gold. Segregated storage is generally preferred as it ensures your specific holdings are individually identified and stored separately. Customer service and support. Assess the custodian's customer service and support. Choose a custodian that offers responsive and helpful customer service, readily available to answer your questions and assist you with your Gold IRA needs. Test their customer service by calling or emailing them with questions before making a decision. Reputation and expertise. Select a custodian with a strong reputation in the precious metals IRA industry. Look for custodians with experience and expertise in handling gold IRAs and precious metals transactions. Check if they have any endorsements or affiliations with reputable precious metals organizations. Step 2. Complete the account application and paperwork. Once you have chosen a custodian, the next step is to complete the account application and necessary paperwork. The custodian will provide you with the required forms to open your Gold IRA account. This typically involves providing personal information, account details, and agreeing to the custodian's terms and conditions. Accurate information. Ensure you provide accurate and complete information on the application forms. Double-check all details before submitting the paperwork. Inaccurate information can lead to delays or complications in setting up your account. Review terms and conditions. Carefully review the custodian's terms and conditions before signing the application. Understand your rights and responsibilities as an account holder, as well as the custodian's obligations. Pay attention to clauses related to fees, storage, transactions, and dispute resolution. Seek clarification. If you have any questions or are unclear about any part of the application or paperwork, don't hesitate to ask the custodian for clarification. It's essential to fully understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. Step 3. Fund your Gold IRA, rollover, or transfer. Funding your Gold IRA involves transferring funds from an existing retirement account or making a direct contribution, depending on your circumstances. The most common methods for funding a Gold IRA are rollovers and transfers from existing IRAs, 401ks, or other eligible retirement plans. Rollover from existing retirement account. A rollover involves taking a distribution from an existing retirement account, e.g., traditional IRA, 401k, 403b, TSP, and reinvesting it into your Gold IRA within 60 days. Rollovers can be direct, custodian to custodian, or indirect. You receive a check and then deposit it. Direct rollovers are generally preferred as they are less prone to tax complications. Ensure you follow IRS rules and deadlines for rollovers to avoid potential tax penalties. Transfer from existing retirement account. A transfer is a direct movement of funds from one retirement account to another without you taking possession of the funds. This is typically done custodian to custodian and is a tax-free event. Transfers are often simpler and less prone to errors than rollovers. Contact your existing retirement account custodian and your Gold IRA custodian to initiate a transfer. Direct contribution, if eligible. In some cases, you may be eligible to make direct contributions to a Gold IRA, depending on your income and eligibility for IRA contributions in general. Contribution limits apply annually, and they may vary based on age. Consult with a tax advisor to determine your eligibility for direct contributions and the applicable limits. No direct cash contributions. It's important to note that you cannot directly contribute cash to a Gold IRA to purchase precious metals. You must fund the account through rollovers, transfers, or eligible direct contributions, and then use those funds to purchase gold or other eligible precious metals through your custodian. Step 4. Select your precious metals. Once your Gold IRA is funded, you can then select the specific types of precious metals you wish to hold within your account. The IRS has specific rules regarding the types of precious metals that are eligible for inclusion in a Gold IRA. These typically include certain gold, silver, platinum, and palladium coins and bars that meet minimum purity standards. IRS-approved precious metals. Ensure that the precious metals you choose meet the IRS's purity requirements for Gold IRAs. Generally, gold must be at least 0.9995 fine, 99.5% pure, silver at least 0.999 fine, 99.9% pure, platinum at least 0.9995 fine, 99.95% pure, and palladium at least 0.9995 fine, 99.95% pure. Eligible forms. Eligible forms of precious metals typically include specific bullion coins and bars produced by government mints or accredited refiners' assayers. Examples of popular IRS-approved gold coins include American Gold Eagles, American Gold Buffaloes, Canadian Gold Maple Leafs, and Austrian Gold Philharmonics. Eligible gold bars must meet specific weight and purity standards. Avoid collectibles and non-approved items. Be aware that collectible coins, numismatic coins, and jewelry are generally not permitted in a Gold IRA. Stick to IRS-approved bullion coins and bars to ensure compliance. Custodian's inventory and selection. Work with your Gold IRA custodian to select your precious metals. Most custodians have established relationships with precious metals dealers and can facilitate the purchase and storage of your chosen metals. They will provide you with a list of available IRS-approved precious metals and their current prices. Step 5. Arrange for secure storage. A critical aspect of owning physical precious metals in a Gold IRA is secure, IRS-approved storage. The IRS mandates that precious metals held in an IRA must be stored in an approved depository. You cannot store your Gold IRA metals at home or in a safe deposit box. Reputable Gold IRA custodians work with secure, insured depositories that specialize in storing precious metals. IRS-approved depository. Your Gold IRA custodian will arrange for the secure storage of your precious metals in an IRS-approved depository. These depositories are typically bank vaults, private vaults, or facilities specializing in precious metals storage. They are highly secure and equipped with advanced security systems, including 24/7 surveillance, armed guards, and strict access controls. Segregated versus commingled storage. Inquire about the depository storage options, segregated or commingled. Segregated storage means your specific precious metals are stored separately from other clients' metals, ensuring they are individually identifiable and accounted for. Commingled storage means your metals are stored with other clients' metals of the same type without individual identification. Segregated storage is generally preferred, although it may come with slightly higher storage fees. Insurance and security. Verify that the depository is fully insured against theft, loss, or damage. Reputable depositories carry comprehensive insurance policies to protect your precious metals. Ask for details about the insurance coverage and security measures in place. Location and accessibility limited. Keep in mind that while your precious metals are securely stored, direct access to them is limited. You cannot physically visit the depository and handle your gold whenever you want. Transactions and distributions are typically handled through your custodian, who will instruct the depository to release or transfer your metals according to your instructions. Crafting a long-term strategy and managing your Gold IRA. Investing in a Gold IRA is not a one-time event. It's a long-term strategy that requires ongoing management and periodic review. To maximize the benefits of your Gold IRA and ensure it aligns with your overall retirement goals, consider the following aspects of long-term strategy and management. Determine your allocation to gold. Decide what percentage of your overall retirement portfolio you want to allocate to gold within your Gold IRA. This allocation should be based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, time horizon, and overall financial situation. Financial advisors often recommend allocating a small percentage of your portfolio to precious metals, such as 5 to 10%, but this can vary depending on individual circumstances. Revisit your allocation periodically and adjust it as needed based on changing market conditions and your evolving financial goals. Long-term investment horizon. View your Gold IRA as a long-term investment for retirement. gold is generally not considered a short-term trading vehicle. Its primary role in a retirement portfolio is to provide diversification, inflation protection, and long-term store of value. By considering what has been discussed in the audiobook, you are now further empowered to decide if investing in a gold IRA is something to consider for your specific situation. Of course, it is best to consult with a financial advisor before making any final decisions. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.